He's trying to get out. Yeah, he's trying to get out. Do you think you can catch him?
Yeah.
Why don't you try to catch him?
I can open the box.
You can try to open the box and catch him. Oh, he got away!
Catch him, Denny!
Molly, I can't catch him. He's too fast for me.
Well, I want to catch him.
Hey, remember what we said? We said if he got away, we weren't going to cry. We'd just catch another one, remember?
But I want to catch him.
Okay, well, I think he just ran up the tree. Maybe he's on the other side of the tree. Maybe you can catch him with your hand. Is he up there? He's not there? Hey Molly, maybe next time, huh?